Hello everyone, so welcome to today's video. We are doing something very fun. I'm excited to share with you the Nudestix and Hilary Duff collaboration. It just came in the mail and I cannot wait to share with you guys the pieces and show you this entire look. I'm going to use every single piece that came in the kit for this look that I'm creating for you today. All of my Complexion products, foundation, concealer, even bronzer and brows will be listed down below in the description box because I don't have any of those items from this brand. This is just strictly eyes and cheeks and highlighter. So this is a really cool collaboration and I found out about it through Instagram and I immediately wanted to try more from this brand. I have used a few of their nude sticks before, the eyeshadows, and really love them. So I thought this was a great way for me to explore more products and different shades of eyeshadows within the brand and kind of see if I enjoy some of their other products. And so far I'm really enjoying this look. It's very ethereal and very kind of mermaidy with some of the tones. One of the eyeshadows and the highlighter is kind of different than what I would wear on a regular day-to-day basis, but at the end of the look it all came together really nicely and I really love the way it looks. So the collection comes with this really beautiful holographic makeup bag that says Daydreamer on it. You can store all of the products in this collection in this bag, or if you are a Nudestix fan, you can collect them all in here. It's perfect for travel, for putting on a carry-on, suitcase, or just storing your everyday makeup in it. I do like it and I think that is so cool. The holographic look to it and just the way it looks is so neat. And the kit comes with several different pieces and this is how it looked when I first got it in the box. I opened it up and it looked really special the way they shipped it, which is really nice. And I think that they did a really great job with the way they presented the collection to the customer because I did pay for this myself and it retails for $75 for all of the pieces that you see in the kit. So the collection comes with lots of different pieces. The first one I'm going to show you is the all over face color in the shade called Body Language, and it is matte, which I love because the highlighter, which is Half Moon, is very shimmery. It looks very icy and white, but it has like a purpley sort of bluish shift to it, so I think it's really different and unique. And I'm really surprised that this tone is in here just because I thought it would be more of a everyday type of shade. This isn't everyday for me personally, but it is really beautiful on the skin and it gives the skin a really nice sort of ethereal look and I like it. You also get 3 of the magnetic luminous color sticks and these are absolutely beautiful and easy to work with. And you have a taupe, the bright eyes, you have prism, and night dweller. So those are the 3 that come in there. So you have a purple, a kind of taupey pewter shade, and a nice shimmery green. The last product is the lip and cheek balm in the shade called Secret Keeper. And I like how these have that sort of multi-function, multi-use thing where you can use this one for the lips and the cheeks. You can use the all over face color for your lips, for your cheeks, your eyes. So the Nudestix brand has this hashtag go nude but better and I'm going nude but better. Not really. I'm wearing a tube top, so let's not get crazy, people, okay? I'm not fooling anybody. I'm enjoying the last few days of summer before we get some cooler weather here in Colorado. So without further ado, let me go ahead and walk you through the entire look today. So the first step that I did was I took Bright Eyes, which is that pewter taupey kind of shade, and I put that all over the lid and I blended with my fingers and all the way up to the crease. So from lid to crease, I applied that color. Then I actually took a fluffy crease brush and a little bit of the Body Language all over face color to add some depth and dimension into the crease, and it added a little bit of warmth, which I really love, and I think it came out really nicely. Then I took the shade called Prism, which is a purpley light kind of lilac color, and it has a bit of a bluish shimmer, kind of glittery look to it, and I used that on the lower lash line and kind of smudged it, and also in the inner corner. And it just gave a really pretty ethereal look to the eye. And I think it's kind of fun to do something different. Then I decided why not use Night Dweller, which is that green. And I used that in the waterline. And I also used it as my liner on the upper lash line. And it looks so beautiful. I incorporated all the colors so they all go together. In my opinion, these can all be worn at the same time to create a really nice, easy look. And it took seconds to do this look. All right, so that's the eyes. And then for the face, I did the Body Language all over face color. This is the matte one, and I used the brush to apply it. It comes with a brush on the opposite end of the stick, and I applied the color first to my hand and then I used the brush to apply it to my face, and it blended out quite nicely and I didn't have any issues with it streaking or tugging or pulling or looking patchy and streaky. It blended out beautifully. Then I also did the same thing with the Half Moon shade. I applied it to my face directly from the stick. Then I used the double-ended brush on the other side and I blended out the color so that there wasn't any harsh lines, and I kind of melted that color into the skin. And then I did add a little bit more to like the temple area and a little bit on the tip of my nose. And then for the lips, I used the Secret Keeper, the Lip and Cheek Balm, and it's so easy to apply. I don't even need a mirror for this. It feels so comfortable. It's not drying. It's got a bit of a kind of gloss finish to it, but it's not super glossy and it's not matte. It's just like a beautiful formula that I really love, and I actually want to try more of these from this range because I love the way it feels on the lips. And this color is absolutely perfect. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is the entire look. It's so easy, and I told you it only takes a few minutes. And that is one of the things that I love the most about this brand, is that it's quick and easy. And for myself as a mom of two, I need things to be quick and easy because I don't have the time and luxury to sit down and do my makeup for 30 minutes to an hour like I used to before having kids, or before I had my daughter who's only just a few months old. I don't have a lot of time these days, so I want things to look easy, effortless. I want it to be quick, and I also want to look put together and feel confident and fabulous. So I am happy to say that this collection definitely hit all of those things for me, and I love the way it looks. So I hope that you enjoyed it and thought it was fun. Don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in more videos in the future. I will have the Nudestix website linked for you down below if you're interested in purchasing any of the products or getting this collection for yourself. Thank you so much for being here, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.